Here's a step-by-step tutorial to fix CCTV camera time date. Not syncing due to no NTP network time protocol server is configured. Manual setting not saved step-by-step guide. Step 1. Access the camera/DVR/NVR settings. Open the camera's web interface via browser or use the manufacturer's app or DVR/NVR menu. Log in using your admin credentials. Step 2. Configure NTP Server, recommended. Navigate to System Settings, Time, Date, or Time Settings, NTP. Enable the Use NTP or Sync with NTP Server checkbox. Enter a reliable NTP server such as pool.ntp.org, time.google.com, or your local NTP server IP. If on a local domain, set the synchronization interval, for example, every 60 minutes. Select the correct time zone for your location. Click Apply or Save. Your CCTV will now auto-sync its time with the internet. Step 3. Manual time date configuration if NTP not used. Disable NTP sync if previously enabled. Manually set the correct date and time. Set the time zone properly. Incorrect zones cause time drift. Click Apply, Save. Reboot the camera/DVR/NVR. Important, some systems apply time changes only after a reboot. Step 4. Verify if settings are saved. After rebooting, log back in and check if the date and time are still correct. The time zone is correct. If using NTP, the last sync status is successful. If time reverts after reboot, proceed to the next step. Step 5. Check RTC battery or power loss. If the system forgets time after reboot, the RTC battery, real-time clock battery inside the camera or DVR/NVR might be faulty or missing. Open the device, if possible and safe, and replace the CMOS battery, usually a CR2032 coin battery. Contact support if you're not comfortable opening the hardware. Step 6. Ensure internet access for NTP. If using NTP, ensure the camera/DVR/NVR has access to the internet. DNS is correctly set. Try using 8.8.8.8. Firewall or router is not blocking NTP, port 123 UDP. Step 7. Monitor for 24 hours. After fixing, monitor the system for a full day. Check if the time remains correct. Look at logs for any sync failures. Extra tips. Some devices allow syncing with computer time if connected via desktop app. If your device logs have NTP sync failed, it's likely a network or DNS issue. Let me know your CCTV brand model, and I can tailor these steps even more.